Filipino or Tagalog interjections. In Filipino, interjections are used to express a variety of emotions or reactions such as surprise, joy, dismay, or enthusiasm. They are often used alone or within sentences to convey feelings quickly. Here's an overview of common Filipino interjections and how to use them. The first one, we have I, which translates to O or oops in English and is used to express mild surprise, realization, or minor distress. The second one is wow, which is similar to the English word wow, used to express amazement or admiration. The next one is hala, which translates to oh no or oh my in English and is used to express alarm, concern, or surprise. The next one, number 4, is nako, which translates to oh my or oh no, which is used to express shock, dismay, or frustration. Number 5 is ewan, which translates to I don't know or whatever, used to express our uncertainty, lack of knowledge, or indifference. Let us have the following example sentences for the first interjection in Filipino. I, which translates to oh or oops, ay nakalimutan ko ang aking mga libro. So, oh, I forgot my books. Nakalimutan is forgot. Libro ay sa book. Mga libro are books. Akin is my. Ay nakalimutan ko ang aking mga libro. It can also be aklat. Ay, ang sakit ng ulo ko. Oops, my head hurts. Sakit is like hurt. And then ulo is head. Ay, ang sakit ng ulo ko. Ay, na late na ako para sa klase. Oh, I'm late for class. So, klase is class. Ay, na late na ako. Ay, late na ako para sa klase. Ay, nadulas ako sa hagdan. Okay, so oh or oops, I slipped on the steps or on the stair, hagdan. So that's hagdan. Nadulas is like slipped and then hagdan is the stair. Ay, nadulas ako sa hagdan. Ay, naubos na ang gatas. Oh, the milk is finished or used or drunk, like already drunk, like nothing is left. Naubos is nothing is left or finished and then gatas is milk. Ay, nasaan ang susi ko? So, oh, where are my keys? So, nasaan is where and then susi is key. So, ay, nasaan ang susi ko? Ay, nabasag ko ang plato. When we say nabasag, that's like broke. So, oops, I broke the plate. And then a plato is a plate. Ay, nabasag ko ang plato. Ay, may dumi sa aking damit. So, oh, there's a stain on my clothes. So, dumi, that's stain, and then damit is like clothes. And then akin is my clothes, aking damit. Ay, may dumi sa aking damit. Ay, natapon ko ang basura sa maling lugar. So, oops, I threw the trash in the wrong place. So, natapon is like threw. Basura is trash, and then lugar is a place. Mali is wrong, so maling lugar is wrong place. Ay, natapon ko ang basura sa maling lugar. Last one is ay, ang init sa labas. Oh, it's so hot outside. Init is hot. And then labas is outside. Ay, ang init sa labas. The second one is wow, which also translates to wow in English. Wow, ang ganda ng tanawin dito. So wow, the view here is beautiful. Ganda is beautiful, tanawin is view, dito is here. So, wow, ang ganda ng tanawin dito. Wow, ang bilis mo mag-type. So, wow, you type so fast. Bilis means fast. And then type is type also, same. So, wow, ang bilis mo mag-type. Wow, ang laki ng bagong bahay mo. So, wow, your new house is so big. Laki, that's big. Bago is new. And then bahay is house. So, wow, ang laki ng bagong bahay mo. Another one is, wow, ang taas ng score mo sa exam. So, wow, your exam score is so high. Taas means high or tall. And then score the same and exam also same. So, wow, ang taas ng score mo sa exam. Another one is, wow, napakasarap ng pagkain na ito. So, wow, this food is so delicious. Sarap means delicious. Napakasarap is very delicious. And then pagkain is food. Ito is this. So wow, napakasarap ng pagkain na ito. Another one is wow, ang galing mong sumayaw. Wow, you dance so well. Magaling means very good. And then sayaw, that's dance. So wow, ang galing mong sumayaw. Another one is wow, nakaabot tayo sa target. So wow, we reached the target. So abot is like to reach. Nakaabot is like reached, past tense. So wow, nakaabot tayo sa target. Another one is wow, ang dami mong nabasang libro. Wow, you've read so many books. Dami means many, nabasa is like read. Then libro is a book. So wow, ang dami mong nabasang libro. Wow, ang saya ng party kagabi. So wow, the party last night was so much fun. Saya means happy, kagabi is like last night. So wow, ang saya ng party kagabi. So wow, ang bilis mo makahanap ng solusyon. Wow, you found a solution so quickly. So bilis means fast, hanap is like find, nakahanap, makahanap is found, and then a solution is or also a solution. So wow, ang bilis mo makahanap ng solusyon. The third one is hala, which translates to oh no or oh my in English. Hala, may sunog sa kanto. Oh no, there's a fire at the corner. Sunog is fire. And then a kanto is a corner. So hala, may sunog sa kanto. Hala, ang cellphone ko ay nalaglag. So cellphone, nalaglag is like fell. So hala, ang cellphone ko ay nalaglag. Hala, pumasok na ang ulan sa bahay. So oh my, the rain has entered the house. Pasok, that's like enter, and then ulan is rain. It refers here to rainwater. Ulan, and then bahay is house. So hala, pumasok na ang ulan sa bahay. Hala, na-miss ko ang aking appointment. Oh no, I missed my appointment. So na-miss is like was not able to attend, to be on time. Appointment is the same, and then akin is my. So hala, na-miss ko ang aking appointment. Hala, ang dami ng tao sa mall. Oh my, there are so many people at the mall. Dami means many, and then tao is like the people, and then a mall is a mall. So hala, ang dami ng tao sa mall. Another one, hala, nawala ang aking wallet. So oh no or oh my, I lost my wallet. So nawala is like lost, akin is my. And then wallet is wallet. So hala, nawala ang aking wallet. Hala, ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Oh my stomach hurts. Sakit is like hurt, tiyan is stomach. So hala, ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Hala, nagalit ang boss ko. So oh no, my boss got angry. Nagalit is like angry, and then boss is boss. So hala, nagalit ang boss ko. Hala, ang layo ng biyahe natin. So, oh my, our trip is so far. Layo means far, and then biyahe is like the travel time natin is hour. So, hala, ang layo ng biyahe natin. Hala, nasira ang sasakyan ko. So, oh no, my car is broken. Nasira is like broken or not functioning well, and then a sasakyan is a car. It can also be a kotse. So hala, nasira ang sasakyan ko. Number 4 is nako, which translates to oh my or oh no. Nako, nagkamali ako sa pagsusulat. So oh my, I made a mistake in writing. Mali is wrong. Nagkamali is like mistake. Sulat is right, so pagsusulat is writing. So nako, nagkamali ako sa pagsusulat. Nako, wala akong pera sa wallet. So, oh no, I have no money in my wallet. So pera is money, wallet is the same, and then wala is like no or none. So wala akong pera, I have no money. Nako, wala akong pera sa wallet. We also have, nako, ang taas ng presyo ng bilihin. Oh my, the prices of goods are so high. Taas is like high or expensive. Presyo is the price, and then bilihin are like the goods. So nako, ang taas ng presyo ng bilihin. Nako, hindi ko na mahanap ang aking cellphone. Oh no, I can't find my cellphone. Hindi is like no, hanap is like find, and then akin is my cellphone. So nako, hindi ko na mahanap ang aking cellphone. Nako, ang hirap ng exam na ito. So, oh my, this exam is so difficult. Mahirap means difficult examination. Ito is this. So, oh my, this exam is so difficult. Nako, ang hirap ng exam na ito. Nako, ang init ng panahon ngayon. So, oh my, the weather is so hot right now. Init is like hot. Panahon is like the weather, and then ngayon is now. So, nako, ang init ng panahon ngayon. Nako, tanggap na sana ako sa trabaho. Oh no, I almost got the job. Tanggap is like accepted. Sana is almost, and then trabaho is work. Nako, tanggap na sana ako sa trabaho. Nako, napagod ako sa lahat ng trabaho. So, oh my, I'm so tired of all the work. Napagod is like tired, past tense, and then trabaho is work. Lahat is all, everything. So, nako, napagod ako sa lahat ng trabaho. Nako, ang dami kong na-miss na tawag. So, oh no, I missed so many calls. Dami means like many. And then, a tawag is like a call. So, oh no, ang dami kong na-miss na tawag. Nako, ang dami kong na-miss na tawag. Nako, ang daming gawain sa bahay. Oh my, there's so much work to do at home. Madami is like many. And then, gawain is like work. And then, bahay is house. Nako, ang daming gawain sa bahay. Number 5 is ewan, I don't know, whatever. So ewan, wala akong alam tungkol doon. I don't know anything about that. Wala, alam is like aware of or no. So wala akong alam, I don't know, tungkol is about doon is that or there. So ewan, wala akong alam tungkol doon. Number 2, we have ewan, hindi ko talaga alam ang sagot. I don't know, I really don't know the answer. Hindi is like no, not. Alam is like aware of, and then sagot is the answer. Ewan, hindi ko talaga alam ang sagot. Ewan, basta hindi ko naiintindihin. So whatever, I won't bother understanding it. Hindi is like no. Iintindihin is like understanding. So ewan, basta hindi ko naiintindihin. Ewan, bahala na kung anong mangyari. So whatever happens, happens. Ewan, bahala na kung anong mangyari. Ewan, siguro hindi na siya darating. So I don't know, maybe he or she won't come. Hindi is like no. Maybe that's siguro. And then darating is like to come. So ewan, siguro hindi na siya darating. Ewan, hindi ko rin alam kung anong gagawin. I don't know. I also don't know what to do. Alam is like no. Then gagawin is like will do. Ano is what. So ewan, hindi ko rin alam kung anong gagawin. Ewan, baka may dahilan kung bakit ganoon. So, I don't know, maybe there's a reason why it's like that. So, baka is like maybe. Dahilan is like a reason. And then, bakit is why. And then, ganoon is like that. So, ewan, baka may dahilan kung bakit ganoon. Ewan, hindi ko alam kung paano ito ayusin. I don't know how to fix this. Paano is how ayusin is like to fix. So, ewan, hindi ko alam kung paano ito ayusin. Ewan, wag na lang natin pag-usapan. Whatever, let's just not talk about it. So, huwag is don't, and then pag-usapan is like talk about it or conversation regarding that. So, ewan, wag na lang natin pag-usapan. Ewan, basta hindi ko na iisipin. Whatever, I won't think about it anymore. So, basta, whatever. Also, just leave it that way. Hindi is no, and then iisipin is like to think about it. So, ewan, basta hindi ko na iisipin. So, in summary, here are the Filipino interjections we discussed. So, I is used for mild surprise or realization. Wow for amazement or admiration. Hala for alarm or concern. Nako is used for shock or frustration. And then ewan is for uncertainty or indifference. So, these interjections help convey emotions more vividly and add color to conversations in Filipino. So learners are encouraged to use these expressions to make their speech more engaging and expressive. And that is all about for this video regarding Filipino interjections. I do hope you learned something new. Maraming salamat and see you in the next one. Bye!